Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding where Word thinks the extra page lives. Switch to draft or print layout and turn on show/hide so you see paragraph marks and manual page breaks. Once done, inspect the end of the document for empty paragraph symbols, manual page breaks, or a trailing empty paragraph. Make sure to check for section breaks because they can force an extra page. If you see a next page section break, you'll act on it next to remove the blank page properly. Now you remove the marks that create the extra page. Select and delete manual page breaks and trailing empty paragraph marks. Short deletes often suffice. If a section break causes the page, change it to continuous on the Layout tab or delete it, mindful that this can alter headers and footers. Also check for oversized tables or anchored objects at the end, reduce spacing or resize them so they no longer spill onto a new page. Once cleaned, reflow text and verify the page. Finish by updating headers and footers if you change section breaks, because those settings can move content. Then use Print Preview or Export to PDF to confirm the blank page is gone. This verifies what printers will see. If the extra page persists, check margins, hidden text, and special field codes. Sometimes an object or an invisible table row forces a page. If needed, cut the final content into a new document to isolate the issue, then paste back once the blank page is resolved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.